Welcome back to the channel, guys. You guys haven't seen me in such a long time, but today I decided to I'm gonna drop a short vlog, keep it updated on what's been going on and stuff, So today, guys, we're going to St. Anne's Bay. We're bringing the little one to the hospital today. Eva? Hello. And I say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. And I say hello. Hey, give them a smile. Alright, guys, so we're there with Nietzsche. I don't know him already from a longer time. Yeah, so we just stop by and I grab something and then we're gonna head out back. So whenever I reach the hospital, I'll update you guys and let you know what's up. So just keep on watching, guys. And today's my birthday also, so we don't know what the day I'm gonna bring me, but we know what I go on. So just keep on watching. Alright. Coming.
What's that, Mama? What's that, Mama?
Alright, people, so we just get tricked. Alright? So turn off this. Turn it on. Alright, guys, so we just get tricked. Apparently we're not going to the hospital. So they tricked me thinking that I was going to the hospital when they were truly going to Dolphin Cove, but they were trying to surprise me. But I was surprised. I never get to catch up because I never expect it. So we're not going to the hospital. I thought we were going to the hospital, but we're not. So I'm gonna turn the vehicle and I guess we're going to Dolphin Cove today. So you guys just journey along, So we just show you everything will go on. But I mean, that was a good surprise because we never expect that at all. Truly never expect that. Alright, guys, so we're making our way down by Dolphin Cove now, guys. So these are the culprits that plan this surprise. Remember? Yeah. So we're on the main road and we're gonna make our way down by Dolphin Cove. So catch you guys down there. So guys, this is where we're at. Dolphin Cove, Ocean. So we're going to pay now. Okay, so we'll check the bags there. Security, I check the bag them. Let's see if we have nothing illegal. Now, guys, we reach down and Ella there. Travel. Say hi now, Ella. You're not telling them hi again. Look. Yeah, she's very anxious. She look all over the place. She's seen so much things. I make sure see the dolphin them. And I guess it's my first time here also, so It's also my first time, so it's really exciting. It's an adventure. Yeah, so I'm really excited to see what it's all about. So keep on watching. You're about to live the experience of a lifetime. Let's see if that's true. Oh my god. I guess there's a lot of people here waiting to check in. So whenever I check in, alright, so we're waiting to check in. So whenever I check in, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so I get the stuff on the mother of Ava. You know, see it and she like it, so I get it from. Bria, hey there. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just came back from swimming with the dolphins and so we couldn't record that. So I'm going to drop a few pictures in so you guys can see how that was. You know, so we're here by the dock, or whatever you call it. Just chilling right now. So we're going to head by the jungle trail soon, which we're going to look on some animals and so on guys. I mean, swimming with the dolphins was fun, not gonna lie, that was really exciting, it was fun. So now we're just going to chill out. I don't know where I get something to eat as yet. And then now, you know, when the day done it done. So see everybody now want to get some. Say hi. Now say hi. Alright, so we're gonna look for the dolphin them now and show them what's up. So stay tuned. Come. Come. Come here, forget them. Come. Come here. Hey. Hey. Come. Hey. Come. Hey, come here. Where are you going?
Okay, Miss Charlie. Watch it, watch it. Watch the engine. Engine, watch the engine. Watch it.
She are going to give me one leaf. Oops. Up. Thank you. What is he doing? Ella? Come, get up. Ah, boy. Did she step off or she go go grub? Ela. Ela. Am I biting foot for? Bird miserable.
Wow. Hey, move friendly.
Hungry, I food them a look, you know.
What's the name of the iguana? Charlie. Charlie, no, my face too much.
Hi, Charlie.
Charlie.
Hey, when he bites you, see a guy laugh. I'm a teeth.
Charlie don't look like he in a mood today.
They can bite me.
Like Kenji,
No, don't give me a hand. Don't give the bird a hand.
Yeah, man, you hear that?
Man, give me a hand and I get back no finger.
God have mercy.
I don't trust it, man. What?
You know what I'm going? Let her in.
Do what?
It's some ready boy, man.
Show the others that you're
Me,
not use the shoulder to help you. Yeah, Papa? Yay! Turn for the picture.
Jayla, when I need to be telling something like that, you know. Some way brave than I am.
Alright.
Look up on me.
Go up on the
Look
side.
up on me,
Up on the
Samir.
side. Turn side here, Samir, so you can get the whole life back.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Good boy.
Good
Boy.
I can't hear boy.
Yeah,
Let me go and done.
Reptile.
Come on, boy, man.
Reptile. Yeah.
Go with something happy with her hand.
Exactly. Alright. Missy,
Turn it up.
putting it on Missy something? I am the youngest one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my bravest.
Good shirt to wear, right?
How will it
It's your
go?
turn.
Alright.
You're not afraid again.
I see Al Green and how to crawl on. Now hold him now.
I got a small
The
bag.
bird on the head now. The bird on the head. Cute.
No, what is it? What is it? Yeah.
I want to drop him because I'm a 10-year-old.
Get ready now. 10 more minutes.
Ready. Hold him.
You try here.
Good boy, yeah.
Communicate with me. So, I'm put him on the picture.
Yeah.
He was on
You
the
get the
picture.
picture,
Heavy.
Once I get the picture.
take it.
Just a move. Yeah.
You take it?
Oh, he moved away.
Hold it, bro. Hold it.
Boy.
Niche.
Yeah, I'm going on.
Niche.
No, you shouldn't. Take it again. It's a baby. Quick.
Hold on. Don't put your arm up.
You lose it. Alright. Take somebody else now. Alright, so you're gonna take somebody. So we can come back here. Let's go.
Alright guys, so I don't know, that's the end of the day. Yeah, it's just a short vlog guys, it's just a birthday vlog and so on. So, you know, hope you all enjoyed. See me, you know, just decided to, you know, I have to give you guys something, you know. And as I said, it's my birthday, it's August 7. So that's the reason why I say, yo, let me just do it. You get me I say? Yeah, so I guess we done all our adventures them now for the day. We don't know where we're going to head right now, but whichever stop we make, you guys will know. So just stay tuned, keep on watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I keep you guys updated. Let's go. You let them eat? Come out. Look. Welcome again guys. Guys, today is the other day and you know, last night because we were eating and stuff, we never get finished the vlog the right way, but we ended up coming home I think about 10 o'clock, reach back home. I mean guys, there was so much accidents on the road yesterday. It was like 3 accidents in the entire day that we passed, you know. So it goes to show that some of these drivers need to take them time on the road, you know, because it's very dangerous the way that they're driving on the road. But anyways, it's the next day and I'm heading to work right now, you know. We have to work right now and stuff, so they don't know I go. That was a short little vlog, you know, family and so on. I know you guys haven't seen in a long while, wondering where I've been, what's up, you know. It's all see family, you know. So the time is kind of scarce right now to really be uploading and going out to make vlogs and so on. But I'm gonna try my best and just like what I did yesterday, see if I can do more of that and see if I can entertain you guys with it also, you know. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned and hopefully you guys get another vlog very soon. So for that guys, I'm gonna put up the phone now. I'm gonna close out this vlog. Hope y'all enjoy and thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.